Hi mga Akotophix! Ever wonder how to replace the film on your Instax mini camera? Well, this video is for you. Step 1. Remove the casing. Make sure the power is off. Film count should show 0. Step 2 and 3. Open the back part and remove the empty cartridge. From 0, it should now show as. Check the expiry date. Do not use expired film. Step 4. Open the film. Do not press it or fold. Step 5. Open the back part to insert the film. Make sure the 2 yellow marks meet. Step 6. Close it. Smile. Step 7. Take a shot to remove the film cover. Step 8. You can turn it off. Film count should now show 10. Now your Instax is ready to capture great memories. Hope this video helped you mga Akotophix. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till my next video. Bye bye!